If you're struggling with finding your purpose, here's 3 practical tips to find your purpose faster than you'd think. And the third one is something you haven't heard before. Let's go. Number 1, think about something you'd potentially be good at, but also enjoy. Keyword potentially be good at, because you might not be good right away, but you probably sense some skill or aptitude in some area, and also something you enjoy, because if you're good at it but you don't enjoy it, you'll just resent it or burn out sooner or later. Number 2, make sure it's something that can be of service to others, because this is how we're built as human beings. It makes us feel effortlessly naturally good to be of service to others. So if it can check this box, it'll have legs and stand the test of time. Number 3, contrary to what you've been taught, it doesn't have to be one grand external purpose. It could be multiple. It could be one thing for a decade. It could be another thing for 2 years. It could be another thing for 6 months. These are just external purposes. So in the spirit of that, let's throw you a curveball now and blow this entire idea of purpose out of the water. So as Eckhart Tolle says, your internal purpose is what counts. These external purposes can be many different things over the course of your life, but your internal purpose is being present with one thing at a time. Why? Because that brings a sense of meaning and quality to whatever you do. So that whatever your external purpose is, it comes from a place of expression instead of compensation. Then you can feel like you're lovable and enough as you are, because it's coming from that deeper place instead of what you do being a compensation for not feeling that. So if you feel lost and you don't feel that sense of external purpose, start with just being with one thing at a time, that inner purpose Eckhart Tolle talks about, and just meditate on criteria number 1 and 2 and see what comes up through intuition or signs as far as what could lead you in that direction over time. And quick bonus tip number 4, if you figure out an external purpose but you can't quit your day job in the meantime, just focus on working on your purpose for half an hour or 2 hours every day, whatever you can commit to. Prioritize that until you can quit your day job. So let me know in the comments what this video made you realize, and have an amazing day.